Hey guys, how's it going? Gabe here. Today, little review. I'm going to be testing this Tire Shine plastic restorer. It's literally just cheapo thing, £2.50, £3 on Temu. So let's see if it works and let's see if it can restore some plastic. So this is what I've got, is a super cheap tub of plastic polishing cream from Temu. I think this was £2.50, so like $3, something like that. Really, really cheap. Comes with this plastic tub and then a little sponge here as well. So this is the trim from my MR2 Frunk. The front trunk. It's seen better days. It's a little bit scratched up and it's a little bit worn, but that's okay because I reckon this stuff is going to fix it right up and it's going to look almost as good as, not quite as good as new because nothing ever does. It's quite scratched. It's not going to fix scratches. So what do we need to do? First off, we need to give it a quick clean. So I've just got some washing up liquid in here. I'm going to spray this over with this terrible washing up liquid bottle. There we go, that's better. And we're just going to give it a nice wipe down so we've got a clean surface. I'd say this stuff is almost like moisturizer for plastic. As you can see here, the plastic's wet and it looks so much better, and that's basically what it's going to look like afterwards. I'm going to take the plastic polishing cream, I'm going to open it up, of course. That's what it looks like inside, just a black goo, and then just going to take some on the sponge. Not really sure how much to take, I just kind of guess it, and then we're just going to wipe it on, and we're going to work it in. Okay. And it's just gonna bring back that shine, darken the color a little bit if it's worn from the sun, and just make this thing look good again. And literally, for how cheap this stuff is, it's a no-brainer. Sponge quality, not so great. I've used this a couple of times now and it's already falling apart, but what do you expect for £2.50 from the other side of the world? Tricky to get in amongst the letters. Actually, the sponge is doing a pretty good job of that. And you can see when you've got too much on there, you just want to spread it around, keep working it around till eventually it's all covered. I don't think you need to wear gloves. I mean, I've got a few cuts and scrapes on my hand from working on cars and it doesn't seem to be hurting. So I'm going to take that as a you don't need gloves. Let's have a look. This stuff is super easy and quick to put on. Literally, you saw how quick that took. Maybe 2 minutes to do the whole thing. I've also left a part here, so you can see on the right, it's nice and shiny and a bit darker. And then on the left, it's just a bit dull and a bit gray. So yeah, overall, very, very good stuff. Really worth it. And just, yeah, Temu plastic polishing cream. I'm gonna finish this thing up, but that's it, just a quick one. Hope you guys liked it. Gonna try and do a few more of these review videos because I just get so much stuff all the time that it's just nice just to do a video about it and share the information and sort of let everyone know what the stuff is like. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.